Hello students, once again we start Boolean algebra, but before starting I revised previous class. What is AND operator, what is NOT operator, and what is NOT operator. So if you have any confusion, so it's clear it. AND operator, it represent by multiplication and it's represented by dot, and why AND operator is used. AND operator is used for multiplication and it represented by dot. And for a example, if x is one variable and y is another variable, and AND operator is represented by x dot y. Now coming to OR operator. OR is used for addition. When you add two values, for this and OR operator is used. And OR operator, suppose one variable is x and y, another is y, and when we add x plus y, then this is called OR operator. So plus is represent OR operator. NOT operator means complement. Complement means reverse value. So NOT operator, if x is given there and it's shown by bar. So x is there, and if x bar is there, that means the reverse value. Suppose for example, if in 1 is there and x bar is written, that means it show NOT operator. The reverse value is 1 is 0. So this is the revision of the previous class and how the values is come. The value is come. You see here is the formula, number of possible combination to key power n, and as I explained in the previous class. Now today we see what is tautology and faulty. This is asked in exam for 1 marks. What is tautology and what is faulty? If the output of Boolean expression is always true or 1 or yes, this is called tautology. If any Boolean expression, as I explained in the previous class also, if the output of that expression is 1, is called tautology. For example, if you open any machine and it starts running, that means it is correct form. So it is represent true value or 1 value. When it start running, then it is called tautology. What is faulty? If the output of Boolean expression is always false, 0, this is called faulty. Or you can say no also. When the output or the result is expression is false or 0, is called faulty. Here you in the example can see here the output 0 and 0 and the result is 0. So this is called faulty. And 1 and when and the result is 1. This is called tautology. So hope so what is faulty and what is tautology is clear to you. When the output is 0, it is called faulty, and when the output is 1 is called tautology. Now we see what is logic gate. This is the most important concept, and in the exam also one question is definitely come from this. What is logic gate? A gate is a digital circuit which operates on one or more signals and produce single output. So first of all, starting with logical gates, what I am try to explain what is digital circuit. Digital circuit means when in your house you see the your electricity combination. This is the only example. Try to understand from this example. So you see in that circuit, when the power is going on, then your bulb is start. When power is not there, your bulb is not able to start. So digital circuits is designed for giving the power to your house. So this is the example of the digital circuit. And how it's work: when operates on one or more signals, when the signals or when the electricity goes through that signal, so that digital circuit perform. हिंदी में समझिए, एक आपके घर में बल्ब है, बल्ब को जलाने के लिए वो किन्हीं दो तारों से या किसी दो उपकरणों से जुड़ा हुआ होता है। जब उसमें लाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जा रही होती है तो बल्ब ऑन हो जाता है, और जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं आ रही होती है तो बल्ब ऑफ रहता है। तो ये एक डिजिटल सर्किट का एग्जाम्पल है। और ये कैसे वर्क करता है? व्हेन ऑपरेट्स, जब ये कैसे काम करता है कि जब ऑपरेटर से सिग्नल और वैल्यूज जा रही होती हैं, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ 0 और 1, अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जा रही है दैट इट मीन्स 1, बल्ब ऑन हो जाएगा। और जब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं जा रही है दैट मीन्स 0, बल्ब ऑफ रहेगा। तो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिजिटल सर्किट।